Hello and welcome back to Draw Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a cute jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. We're going to start in the middle, right here, and we're going to do two arch up. And then with the arch we're going to add in the two sides. And then connect the bottom. With that done, we're going to add in the stem, which is going to be a line up here, a circle, and a line back down. And we're gonna add some vines to this jack-o'-lantern to make it more interesting. So start from here and we're gonna go up, and then go back up like this. And then on the other side, repeat the same thing. And then we're going to add a little U shape and connect. U shape and connect. Let's add two more vines like so, and then maybe one right here, like so. And with the vines we need some leaves, so we're just going to add these big shapes. You could add as many as you want, as little if you want. We're just gonna add these big shapes for the leaves. And for the pumpkin we're gonna split it up. I'm gonna start from the middle and draw a line down the center. And we're going to continue splitting it up, almost like orange slices. Like so. And with your pumpkin split up, now we can draw in all the details with our marker. We're going to make it a cute pumpkin, so we're going to add some cute eyes. So we're going to start from here, go out, and then go back in like so. It's going to be a first eye. We're going to repeat the eye on the right side. Go back in. And for the mouth, I want a really cute mouth, so we're not gonna make it creepy. We're gonna add a little tooth right here. Go back up. And complete the smile. And once you have the face done, let's make it a little bit 3D. We're gonna add in the bottom line of it, just to give it the pumpkin some thickness. And we're going to continue right here, up, and down. That's going to give us some thickness to the pumpkin. With that done, we're going to move over to the leaves of the vines, and we're going to draw the little vines right below the leaves. So following the little leaves we drew, we're just going to add in some leaf details, like so. Very simple leaf, and we're going to repeat that a few times. More here. It's actually pretty fun. Take your time with these, since there's so many of them. And I think we're good with all the leaves. At least for me. If you need more time to do the leaves, you can pause the video. And for the vines, it's really simple. We're just gonna go and follow the lines we drew earlier. And just draw in the little vines we drew. And one more vine right here. Maybe we can add some detail to the vines, but I just added some vine line just to add some interest. I think that's all we really need for the vine, so we can move over to the pumpkin. For the pumpkin, we're going to start with the stem and draw a circle and a loop like that. And then following the two sides, we can go back down. And let's add some details by drawing these simple lines in, and this should add some detail to our vines. And following the lines we had earlier, we're just going to go and fill in our pumpkin with all the details. Just make sure to not go over the face we drew because it is carved out. You don't need to draw over it. so. And our drawing is done. Let's erase all the pencil marks, just so we have a clean drawing to color. Once you're done erasing, let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. Cute Halloween jack-o'-lantern, just in time for Halloween. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.